Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanaka Bekerwa, and today I'm going to walk you through inside my new application that I had to create as part of Project 2 of CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. So as part of this application, I had to create and design an eBay-like e-commerce auction site that will allow users to post auction listings, place bids on listings, comment on those listings, and add listings to their watch list. So let's walk through inside this application. It currently has 4 models: an existing model that will accept users, a model that will accept auction listings, a model that will accept comments on listings, and a model that will accept bids on listings. So we'll see how all that works in a minute. To register, right, you put your name, your email address, and confirm your password. But since I'm an existing user, I'll simply log in to save time. As soon as I log in, I'm signed in as my username, which is Tanaka, and I can simply log out when my session is over. If I navigate through all of this, create a new listing. I'll say iPhone 13. That's my new listing, and then I'll say this iPhone 13 is good. And then I'll starting bid for this iPhone 13 is $200, and then this is the URL for the iPhone 13, and it falls under category electronics, right? So as soon as I hit create listing, thing should appear when I go to my active listings. Inside my active listing, this listing should have an image, a title, a description, a current price, and the category indicated below, which is electronics. So to make this more interesting, let's see how somebody else will view this listing inside the application. For that to happen, I'll log in as Brian, and let's see how Brian views Tanaka's listing. So if I log in as Brian and go to the listings page, on the listings page I should see everything that Tanaka added on his listing, which is the iPhone 13 with the image, with the description, with the current price, which is also the starting bid, right? Since nobody acted on this listing, the current price should match the starting bid. And we should also see who listed the product, which is currently Tanaka, right? So as I am Brian, I can simply add this on my watch list, and when I add it on my watch list, to the watch list tab, I should be able to see it, right? And here it is, right here in my watch list, the iPhone 13 appears. And now I want to place a bid. As you can see, you can also remove this from the watch list. If I say remove from watch list, go back to watch list, it no longer appears, right? And then I have to go back again to active listings and to add it to my watch list. So I can simply add this on my watch list, and as well I can now place a bid. If I place a bid lower than the recommended price, it will give me an error, but I have to add a price that is above the starting price. So now I placed a bid, that bid went through successfully, and I'm currently the highest bidder as Brian. And then also add a comment and say Brian is cool, and then when I submit this comment, it should appear right beneath the product itself, and here it is. So now let me log in back as Tanaka to see. When I log in back as Tanaka, I should be able to see Brian's comment and Brian's bid, and here we go. When I view the listing, I should be able to see Brian's comment and Brian's bid, and you can see the current price has changed because of Brian's bid, right? Brian is currently the highest bidder. So now I'm satisfied with this bidding auction. I'll currently close the auction, and whoever is the top bidder or the highest bidder should get the prize, right? And when I click close auction, we can see that winner is Brian. The auction is closed, and here's Brian's comment as well. I can see it from my view. And now all this is cool, but it will be cooler if I can edit from an admin point of view. So let's go to Django Admin. If you go inside Django Admin, you can simply see that you can see all of this from an administration point of view. There's an iPhone that was added. You can see if I click on the iPhone 13, I can see all the information that was added from an administration point of view. I can simply delete this listing if I want to, and once I delete the listing, it won't appear anywhere else. And this is how my application works. You can see I can view the comments, the bids, the users, and everything. I have total control from an administration point of view, and I can see all the users that are currently engaging with my application. So thank you for engaging. Bye.